Welcome to Influenceme, the new ultimate fashion and beauty social networking site designed to personally inspire your style. Use Influenceme's unique filtering system to find the perfect influencer, brand, or product. Buy the look straight through the app, making shopping easier than ever before. And save your favorite posts into your own virtual wardrobe. Keep up to date with all the influencers you follow through the newsfeed. These can also be viewed in grid format. To help find the inspiration you are looking for, Influenceme offers a unique filtering system taking you on a journey to the influencer, brand, or product you want. Filter your searches even further through color, gender, occasion, trend, or product. Trends are updated weekly, inspiring you with the latest, most wanted looks. The posts are shoppable, making shopping easier than before. Your favorite looks can be saved into your virtual wardrobe, where you can build collections of your own choice. Influenceme allows you to upload videos, so if lifestyle is your thing, Influenceme is perfect for you. Build your profile to inspire others on Influenceme, whilst inspiring your own style.